The potential of artificial intelligence is undeniable. We see it transforming industries and reshaping how we work. However, this rapid advancement has also sparked concerns, particularly the fear of job displacement. It's crucial to remember the human element in this technological revolution. AI should be viewed as a tool that empowers, not replaces human workers. Our focus should be on fostering collaborative opportunities between humans and AI, leveraging the strengths of both. Successful AI implementations are those that foster collaboration. They recognize that the best outcomes arise when humans and AI work together. This synergy unlocks potential that neither could achieve alone. AI excels at data processing, pattern identification, and automation. It can analyze vast data sets with speed and accuracy, identifying trends that might be missed by human eyes. This efficiency frees up human workers to focus on higher-level tasks. Humans, on the other hand, bring critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence to the table. These are qualities that AI, in its current form, cannot replicate. Humans provide nuanced understanding, contextual awareness, and the ability to adapt to unforeseen circumstances. This collaboration unlocks significant organizational benefits. By strategically combining the strengths of humans and AI, businesses can achieve new levels of efficiency and innovation. The result is a more productive and engaged workforce. AI automates mundane and repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on strategic and engaging activities. This shift in focus can lead to increased job satisfaction and a greater sense of purpose. Employees feel more valued when they are contributing their unique skills and talents. Increased productivity is a direct result of this collaboration. With AI handling routine tasks, humans can concentrate on complex problem-solving, creative endeavors, and building relationships. This leads to a more dynamic and fulfilling work environment. Consider customer service. AI chatbots can handle routine inquiries, providing instant answers to common questions. This frees up human agents to address complex issues and build stronger relationships with customers. In data analysis, AI can identify trends and insights from massive data sets. Human analysts can then use this information to make informed decisions and develop innovative solutions. This combination of AI-powered insights and human judgment leads to better outcomes. Successful AI integration requires careful planning and investment. Organizations must take a strategic approach, identifying areas where AI can best augment human capabilities. This requires a thorough understanding of both the technology and the workforce. Investing in training and development is crucial. The workforce needs the skills to utilize AI tools effectively and to understand AI-generated insights. This includes training on data literacy, critical thinking, and collaboration with AI systems. Managing AI systems is also a necessary skill. Organizations need to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly, and that its outputs are accurate and reliable. This requires a combination of technical expertise and human oversight. Collaboration with AI in problem-solving is essential. Employees need to be able to work alongside AI systems, providing context, interpreting results, and making informed decisions. This requires a shift in mindset and a willingness to embrace new ways of working. Open communication and transparency are crucial for successful AI implementation. Employees need to understand the purpose of AI, how it impacts their roles, and how they can contribute to its success. This helps to alleviate fears and build trust. Employees need to understand how AI is being used and why. This includes explaining the benefits of AI, addressing concerns about job displacement, and providing opportunities for feedback. Transparency builds trust and encourages employees to embrace AI as a valuable tool. Employees also need to understand how AI impacts their roles. This includes identifying new skills that are needed, providing training opportunities, and creating clear career paths. By empowering employees to adapt to the changing landscape, organizations can ensure a smooth transition. Finally, employees need to understand how they can contribute to AI's success. This includes providing feedback on AI systems, identifying new use cases, and collaborating with AI in problem solving. By involving employees in the process, organizations can tap into their collective intelligence and drive innovation. The future of work is not humans versus AI, but humans with AI. By recognizing the human element and embracing collaboration, we can enhance our capabilities and drive innovation. This partnership will lead to greater success for individuals, organizations, and society as a whole. The key is to shift our perspective. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, we should embrace its potential to augment our abilities and create a more fulfilling work experience. By working together, humans and AI can achieve more than either could alone. Let's recognize the human element to enhance capabilities. Let's drive innovation through human-AI collaboration. Let's achieve greater success by working together. Let's embrace the potential for a more fulfilling work experience.